Hey everyone, we have an unboxing today. Do you know what this is? If you bake, you know what this is. King Arthur. Yes, I have a big shipment. Very excited. I love their products. So let's see what I got. I have quite a few things. I'm going to be doing videos with some of these in the upcoming weeks. Those of you that only watch me for crochet and don't know, I used to be a private chef for about 10 years to be rich and famous. And while baking is not my specialty, I can bake. And I have a cooking channel, which is on my, you can see the link to it on my main page where I cook historic recipes, just because I thought that would be fun. From an old book that I have. Alright, let's see what we got here. Some of their items you can buy in the grocery store, but there's quite a few that you cannot. Like this. Dry milk. So I bake a loaf of bread every week. I always bake a King Arthur's recipe. And they usually use dry milk. And I want to see if this works differently or better than just regular powdered dry milk from the grocery store. And I will do a test showing the difference. Actually, I think I have 2 bags of this. Yes, because I bake a lot of it. Bakewell cream. So this is like baking powder. I have not used this before, and I would like to do a test of biscuits. I'm a Southern woman, and I make pretty good biscuits. Make them often enough. I think I'm good at it. But I'd like to see how self-rising flour does versus using this with the mixture of salts and baking cream instead of baking powder. So I think that'll be a fun little test. The reviews on this are fantastic. This is powdered natural food coloring, and I am doing some really kind of like funky shaped and decorated cookies for Christmas. So if you want to subscribe, make sure you see those. I'll be doing those hopefully by the end of this month of November. This has 4 colors, and also I think I'm going to do some macarons. You know how beautiful they are and all those pretty colors, so I thought I might use some of this for that as well. Baker's Fruit Blend. So this has raisins, apricots, peaches, nectarines, pears, and cranberries. And I'm going to be trying their recipe for Christmas Stollen, and I'll do a video of that. But I like this blend, and because their recipes are always so good, I thought that that looked really tasty in their monthly circular that comes out. Double Zero pizza flour. I'm not even a huge pizza lover. I don't eat it very much. I think I eat it 4 times a year. But I'd like to try this kind of flour to see if I can get a better crust than what I've been getting at home. Like I said, I'm not like the best baker in the world, but I can bake. I do okay. So this will be fun, and I will probably video that. I'm not sure which recipe I'm going to use. Their recipe for it has mixed reviews, but I mean, who knows who these people are. And if they follow the directions, oftentimes people will write a review of something where they substituted 2 or 3 different things and then skipped a step and then give it a 1-star review. So I just don't know what to think about that. Pumpernickel flour. I use this to feed my sourdough starter, and I like to put it in my sourdough when I'm making sourdough. It feeds sourdough. Oh, the sourdough eats it right up. It makes a very happy sourdough starter. Irish style flour. I've never tried this, and I've never had Irish brown bread. I'm sure it's delicious, and we're going to find out because I'm going to make it for you. what's in this. I don't remember everything I ordered. This might be just regular basic flour, which I always need. I'm making bread every week. All-purpose flour. Yep, all-purpose flour. And this is what you can find in the grocery store. I think of everything I've shown you, this is the only one that you're going to see in a grocery store. Alright, so that's my haul. I got a nice mix of things, don't you think? So we have some upcoming recipe videos. You can see how I work my magic in the kitchen. And I have a few recipes on the channel of things I actually made for my clients. And I will link I have a playlist. There's only 2 right now, but I'm working on a cookbook of some of those dishes because they are so delicious. And you shouldn't have to pay someone to make them for you, just to have them. Alright, so I will see you in some of these upcoming videos. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and tell me your favorite thing from King Arthur Flour in the comments below.